Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 5 Class C26. We will present the results of our observations at the UPTD SD Negeri 73 Parepare. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Andi Indah Helani. You can call me Indah.
My name is Nurisna. You can call me Risna.
My name is Siti Maimuna. You can call me Muna.
My name is Sureda Halim. You can call me Sureda.
Our observation place in UPTD SD Negeri 73 Parepare. Before that, we would like to thank to Mr. Muhammad Asul Sultan, SPD MPD, as a lecturer of ESP for primary teacher, and Ms. Haja Stuti, SPD, who has given time to be interviewed. Based on the results of our interviews, there are 4 problems found in Learning English for grade 4. The first problem will be presented by myself. The first problem: students easily forget the material. The solution we can offer is make creative notes and mind mapping. Mind mapping, also known as mind mapping, is a way of recording subject matter that makes it easier for students to learn. According to Fadilatul Rahmi, mind mapping can also be categorized as a creative note taking technique. With mind mapping, a long list of information can be turned into colorful, highly organized, and memorable diagrams that work in harmony with how the brain works in doing things. The second problem will be presented by Siti Maimuna.
Thank you for the opportunity. The second problem, children motivation decrease when learning takes place. Solution: HM Sartiman 2005 92 to 94, namely how to increase learning motivation. 1. Give a number. Number in this case as a symbol of the value of learning activity. Many students are actually to achieve that number or grade, so that what is being pursued in only a test score or a GAT report card score. GAT number for students is a very strong learning motivation. What the teacher needs to remember is that the achievement of the number is not a true and meaningful learning result. The hope is that this number is real related to their affective values, not just cognitive one. Number 2, give rewards. Give rewards can be a strong learning motivation. Where students are interested in a particular field for which the prize will be awarded. Not so if the prize is given for a job that is not interesting according to students. Number three, computation. Computation, whatever individual or group, can be a means to increase learning motivation, because sometimes if there is a rival, students will be more enthusiastic in achieving the best result. Number 4, giving repetition. Students will study hard if they know that there will be a test, but do not repeat too often because it will be boring and will become a more routine. Number 5, knowing result. Knowing learning outcomes can be used of a motivational to for children learning. By knowing their learning outcomes, students will be encouraged to study harder. More for if the learning outcomes are progressing, students will definitely try to maintain it or even be motivated to be able to improve it. Number 6, prize. If there are students who successfully complete the task well, it is necessary to give prize. Prize is a form of positive reinforcement and provide good motivation for students. Giving must also be at the right time. So time will raise self-esteem.
Next, the third problem will be presented by Moisna.
Thank you for the opportunity. The third problem's mastery of English vocabulary is still lacking. Solution: application of Scramble model to improve students' vocabulary mastery. According to Soimin, the Scrabble model is a method in the form of a random word game, arranging words and letters that have been confused so that they form a certain meaningful word, with an emphasis on practice questions that are done in groups. In the Scrabble model, students are trained to be careful in arranging words into a vocabulary in English. This model is very suitable for developing English vocabulary as well as testing creativity. Mastery of vocabulary is the core in the application of the Scrabble model.
The fourth problem will be presented by Sureda Halim. Time is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity. The fourth problem. Students are lazy to learn English. Solution: increase motivation to learn English through the total physical response method. The TPR method is a method of learning English by listening to comments, speech, motion, and trying to teach through physical activity. Penny 2008, number 1. So what is meant by increasing English motivation through the total physical response. TPR method is an attempt to give a higher boost in learning English through listening to common sentences, speech, and trying to teach physical motor activity.
Thank you. That's the problem and solution that we can offer to English in grade 4. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.